No, my dear. You just make an attempt, then we'll see. Sixth one, both the problems are homework. Now seventh, see, so raised to 4 means, raised to 4 means you have to multiply that number 4 times. X raised to 4 means x into x into x 4 times. Now write this. Seventh first, these type of problems are important. Seventh, finding the value of angle x. Sixth is also important. Sixth one, you try. Now write on this. If sin x is equal to cos x and x is acute, find the value of x. Correct? So now sin x is equal to cos x. Acute means it will be less than 90 degree. So now we are given sin x is equal to cos x. So this I can write sin x. 1 minute. Sin x. Yes. Sin x. Wait. Sin x is equal to cos x. Sin x is equal to cos x. Sin x is equal to cos x. So I can write this as sin x divided by cos x is equal to 1. So cos x goes in the denominator. So sin x upon cos x is equal to 1. Now what is sin x upon cos x? Sin x नहीं जीरो नहीं होगा. See here, जीरो नहीं होगा. When we are dividing, then 1 is left. When we are subtracting, then 0 is left. Just remember, I am dividing by cos x, so 1 will be left in place of that. When we are subtracting, then 0 is left. Sin x upon cos x is tan x. No. How you can? X you cannot cancel because it is x is there in the angle. X is there in the angle, so you cannot cancel x. If it is sin into x, then x you can cancel, but it is sin x. So sin x upon cos x is 1. But what is sin x upon cos x? Tan x. So remember, x is the angle. X is the angle. So tan x is 1. But tan of which angle is 1? No, wait. Let me call the expert. My son will be expert. I have to take his help. Normally I don't take his help. Wait. It will be there. Now it will be clear. Do not worry. Hi guys, do not worry. Sin x upon cos x is 1.
सब सही तो
Now it is clear. Yes. Now sin x upon cos x is tan x. Tan x is 1. But tan of which angle is 1? Yes. But tan of which angle is 1? Tan 45 degree is 1. No. Tan 45 degree is 1. So tan x is 1, but tan of 45 degree is 1. So you will get tan x is equal to tan 45 degree. Tan x is equal to tan 45 degree. That, my dear, tan x is 1. That we have calculated. But tan of which angle is 1? 45 degrees. So tan 45 degrees is 1. So tan x is 1. Tan 45 degrees is 1. That means tan x is equal to tan 45. That means my angle x is 45 degree. So tan x is equal to tan 45 degree. That gives you x is equal to 45 degree. Yes. That means x is equal to 45 degree. Okay. There is no request. No, it is there. x is equal to 45 degree and 45 degree. See, it is given x is acute. Acute means less than 90 degree. So clearly 45 degree is less than 90 degree. That means your answer is correct. The value of x is correct because x is acute. We are getting x as 45 degree. And the question it is given x is acute. Now second, sec A is equal to cosec A. Sec A is equal to cosec A. A is my angle and it is given now it is clear, right? Sec A is equal to cosec A. Yes, sec A is equal to cosec A. The value of A lies between 0 and 90 0 degree less than equal to A, less than equal to 90 degree. 0 yes. What you are saying, that is absolutely correct. Now it is clear, right? Sec A is equal to cosec A and the value of A, angle A lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. A lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. Acute angle. State the value of A. State the value of A. State the value of A. You have to find the angle A. So we use this sec A is equal to cosec A. Sec A is equal to cosec A. Now you tell me what is sec A? Yes. What is sec A? Reciprocal of cos A. Are you getting? Sec A is reciprocal of cos A. And what is cosec A? No. We directly use the formula. That sec A is reciprocal of cos A and cosec A is reciprocal of sin A. Cosec A is reciprocal of sin A. Now we simplify. So cross multiply now. Cross multiply. So 1 into sin A is equal to 1 into cos A. So you will get sin A upon cos A is equal to 1. Cos A we take in the denominator. Sin A upon cos A is tan A. So tan A is equal to 1. But tan of which angle is 1? Yes, tan of which angle? Tan 45 degrees 1. So you will get tan A is equal to tan 45. Same answer. Tan A is equal to tan 45 degree. That will give you A is equal to 45 degree. My angle A is 45 degree. So this type of problems are important, where it is asked find the value of angle theta or angle. See, this says that the value of angle A lies between 0 degree and 90 degree. Now we are getting A as 45 degree and 45 degree lies between 0 and 90. No, that my answer is correct. 45, that is the condition given, that the angle A must lie between 0 degree and 90 degree. The angle A must lie between 0 degree and 90 degree. Now, where sec is the reciprocal of cos. So, sec A is 1 upon cos A, cosec A is 1 upon sin A. Sec is reciprocal of cos, cosec is reciprocal of sin. Now fourth will be, fourth will be homework, eighth is omitted, ninth is omitted, 10th is omitted. Now 11th is important. 11th, both the 7th, 3rd, 8th, 9th, 10th is omitted. Now 11th is important. That is what I am telling. No, one I will do. Same type of problem if I will go on solving. And you suggest I can do second one. You suggest. See, my dear, you have to just put the value. Let me do first or second, that you tell me. Let me do second. Chalo. 11th, evaluate. This 11th is important, 11th type. 11th type of exercise is important for 3 to 4 marks. Evaluate. Mark this important. 11th, first will be homework. Yes, first will be homework. Now let me do second one. 3 sin 3b, 3 sin 3b, 3 sin 3b. 3b is the angle, that is plus 2 cos 2b plus 5 degree. 2b plus 5 degree divided by 2 cos 3b, 2 cos 3b minus sin 2b minus 10, 2b minus 10 degree. Now the value of b, angle b is given 20 degree. So here b, angle b is given, that is 20 degree. Yes, now everywhere you will replace b by 20 degree and simplify. So that will be 3 sin 3b. So 3b is the angle, so that I can write 3 into b, b is 20 degree. So 3 into 20 degree plus 2 cos 2 into b 20 degree plus 5 degree. 2 into 20 degree plus 5 degree. First I will put the value of b as 20. So 2 cos 3b, 3 into b 20 degree minus sin 2b, 2 into 20 degree minus 10 degree. So that is 3 into sin 3 into 20 is 60 degree, sin 60 degree, yes, plus 2 into cos, yes, this will be 2 into 20 is 40, 40 plus 5, 45 degree, cos 45 degree, upon 2 into cos 60 degree minus sin 2 into 20 is 40, 40 minus 10 is 30, minus sin 30 degree. Now using table we write down the value of sin 60, cos 45 and all that. So that is 3 into, what is sin 60? Sin 60 is root 3 by 2, plus 2, cos 45 is 1 upon root 2. So 2 into 1 upon root 2 divided by 2 cos 60 degree. Cos 60 degree is 1 by 2 minus sin 30 degree is, sin 30 is 1 by 2, no? Sin 30 is 1 by 2. Now we simplify. We simplify that. We simplify and find the value. We simplify and find the value. Yes. So 3 into root 3 by 2 plus 2 yes, simplify. Sin 60 degree is root 3 by 2, so that will be 3 root 3. Wait, 3 root 3, 3 root 3 by 2 plus 2 root 2 plus 2 upon root 2 plus 2 upon root 2. 2 upon root 2 divided by 2 into 1 by 2, 2 get cancelled 1 minus 1 by 2. So 3 root 3 by 2, this I can rationalize the denominator, this one. So this 2 upon root 2, I can write root 2 into root 2. Are you getting this? You can rationalize the denominator. First chapter we have studied the rational number. So 2 upon root 2, 2 upon root 2, multiply and divide by root 2, so this becomes 2 root 2, 2 root 2 upon 2. Are you getting? Multiply and divide by root 2, so root 2, 2 root 2 upon 2, upon 1 minus 1 by 2, 2 ones are 2, that is 1 by 2. So which I can write 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2 upon 2 divide by 1 by 2, so 2 get cancelled, 2 get cancelled, 2 get cancelled. So what is left? Answer is 3 root 3 plus 2 root 2. Yes? What answer you are getting? Just take the answer again. Yes. So see next. I've taken LCM of 1 minus 1 by 2. LCM is 2. Now 23rd B. See, 23rd B, all the problems are important. And all the problems are easy. You have to just put the value of A and B and simplify, get the answer, nothing else. In fact, this 20, no omitted, all the problems are important. In fact, 23rd B, I can give completely homework. No, I am doing that, that is what I am telling you. This is so much easy. 23rd B, now let us do first one. All are important problems, remember. So given, given A is 60 degree, and B is 30 degree. Let me do first one, no. A is 60 degree, B is 30 degree. First, second, third, fourth. Yes, tell me. First, second, third, prove that. Let me do this. First one, prove that sine A plus B, prove that sine A plus B is equal to sine A cos B plus cos A sin B. You have to prove this. Sine A plus B is sine A cos B plus cos A sin B. So this is my left hand side, this is right hand side, you have to evaluate. So now we consider left hand side. What is left hand side? Sine A plus B. Now put the value of A and B. So that will be sine A is 60 degree, B is 30 degree, 60 degree plus 30 degree is 90 degree. So sine 90 degree is 1. If you see the table. So my left hand side is 1. Similarly, evaluate right hand side. Right hand side is sine A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sine A cos B plus cos A sin B. Sine 60 degree cos 30 degree plus cos 60 degree sin 30 degree. You just put the value of sine 60 cos 60. Sine 60 is root 3 by 2. Cos 30 is, yes, what is cos 30? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Are you getting? Plus cos 60 is 1 by 2. Sin 30 is 1 by 2. So simplify. Root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. So multiply numerator, denominator. So root 3 into root 3 is 3 and 2 into 2 is 4. So root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2 is 3 upon 4 is 3 upon 4 is 3 upon 4. So that is 3 upon 4 plus 1 by 4. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 is 4 by 4, 1. So my right hand side is 1. So left hand side is 1, right hand side is 1. So finally we write left hand side is equal to right hand side is equal to 1. Hence it is verified, or hence it is proved. Hence it is proved. So in a similar way you will do second, third, fourth sum. Same A and B, you have to put the value. What else is there? Anyway. Fourth I am doing. Chalo. Tan A. Second, third homework. Tan A minus B is tan A minus tan B. Tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. You have to prove this. Tan A minus B is tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A tan B. This you remember if you have sin x upon cos x. This angle you cannot cancel. Remember, angle you cannot cancel. You can cancel the term, but you cannot cancel the angles. So, because that is there in the angle, no? Sine of angle. It is not sine into angle. If it is sine into x, then you can cancel x. But it is sine of x. Yes. So we are saying of. So tan A minus B, left hand side is tan A minus B. Tan A is 60 degree, minus B is 30 degree. Tan 30 degree, tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. Tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3, yes. So left hand side is 1 by root 3. My left hand side is 1 by root 3. Find right hand side. Left hand side is 1 by root 3. Find right hand side. Yes, yes. Evaluate right hand side. Evaluate right hand side. Tan A minus tan B, tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. Tan A minus tan B upon 1 plus tan A into tan B. Simplify, just put the value of A. A is 60 degree, so tan 60 degree minus tan 30 degree upon 1 plus tan 60 degree into tan 30 degree. Let's put the value and simplify. Tan 60 degree is root 3. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. That table should be thorough. The entire table must be on your tongue. Immediate. No, we are writing 60 minus 30, that is tan 30 degree, no? RHS में. No. Yes. Very good question you asked. See, this you remember, and this you remember, that tan x minus tan y. Tan x minus tan y is not equal to tan x minus y. This you remember. And the same thing is there for any cos also. So, tan x minus tan y, I cannot take tan common. I cannot take tan common and subtract the number. This you remember. So tan x minus tan y, I cannot write tan x minus y. They are very good questions. The same thing will be there for sine also. So same thing will be there for cos also. The same thing will be there for plus. The same thing will be there for, yes. Yes, so tan x minus tan y, I cannot write tan x minus y. We cannot take, yes, we cannot take tan common and subtract the angles. No. Very good question you asked. Because last year I was teaching in 9th standard. In the first term examination, 3-4 students, they have written the same mistake. They have done the same mistake. Tan x minus tan y, they have written tan x minus y. Very good question you asked. So now yes, wrong. So they have been, their marks have been deducted. No. So those mistakes we have highlighted by asking that Zeal asked the doubt. So those mistakes we have highlighted. That tan x minus tan y, you cannot write tan x minus y. Tan 60 degrees root 3, tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, then 1 plus tan 60 is 1 by root 3, tan 60 is root 3, tan 60 is root 3, 1 upon root 3. So root 3 into root 3 cross multiply, root 3 into root 3 is 3, minus 1 upon root 3. Then 1 plus root 3 I will cancel, that is 1 plus 1, 2. So 3 minus 1 is 2, so 2 upon root 3 divided by 2, so which I can write 2 upon root 3, divide by 2 is same as multiplied by half, so 2 get cancelled, answer is 1 by root 3. So my right hand side is also 1 by root 3. So left hand side is equal to right hand side is equal to 1 by root 3, hence it is verified. So, see, there should not be, the same question was asked last year in the first term exam. The student did, many students they did mistake in the last step. 2 by root 3 divided by 2. Some of them have written 4 upon root 3. So 2 upon root 3 divided by 2. Divided by 2 is same as, yes, but divided by 2 is same as, you can directly cut. Divide by 2 is same as multiplied by reciprocal. So left hand side is equal to right hand side is equal to 1 by root 3. Hence it is proved. Hence it is proved. Wait, why are stopping? We have enough time. 5 minutes are. Wait, 5 minutes are there. 5 minutes is. ब्रेक नहीं है ना? हाँ. Okay. चलो, I'm taking care of that. It is 12:05. Take 5 minutes. चलो. Yes, now we stop. Yes, now we stop here. We are going to meet 12. Yes, bye. We are going to meet 12:50. Yes. Bye. Yes. Bye.